Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template with a MORPH transition. So let's start. But first of all, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get more videos like these. So let's start. First of all, go to format background, and from here you're gonna insert a circle that fits into the shape in the small circle leftovers. Now you're gonna change this color to white. Remove a outline. Go to format shape and you're gonna give it a picture fill. So what I'm gonna do is duplicate this, and for that one I'm gonna use solid fill, and that is white color. Let's decrease the size and put it into the picture circle, something like this. Go to format shape and change its color to gray. There you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is insert a text box onto that circle, and you're gonna increase the text size and duplicate the template. Copy your another image that is different from the first image, and you're gonna add it into the form of background. Select both the text and the two circles and duplicate them by pressing Ctrl D. Move them downwards into this circle. There you go. Go to format shape and you're gonna change the image of the background circle by first copying the other image that you use in the background and pasting it onto that circle. Something like this. Duplicate the template and you're gonna select the circles and group them. And next, what you're gonna do is copy another image, go to format background, and clipboard that image. Ungroup the circles and add the image in the left. First of all, duplicate the circles and along with the text, put it into the circle, and then you're gonna select the circle with picture and change the picture as same as the background picture. We're gonna select and copy the image, and from clipboard we're gonna paste the image. Next, we're gonna duplicate the template again, and then we're gonna copy another image, go from a background, and copy that entirely different image into the background. Do the same with the small circle. Insert the same image in it by duplicating it firstly, placing it into that one circle. And now what you're going to do is duplicate it about 3 times so that all of the circles are entirely full. You're going to do the same for the other circles as well. There you go. Now what you're going to do is copy another image of yours and the same image as you used in the background. You're going to clipboard it into the circle. Now you're gonna duplicate it again, copy another image, and you're gonna paste it onto this that like the smaller circle by pressing clipboard, and do the following for the background as well. Next, go to the another new slide by duplicating it. Do the following by pasting another different image as same as the background into the small circles and the background as well. So here we are. So we're gonna do the same for all of the slides and for the circles. But we're gonna rotate the circles as one in the first template, and as two in the second template, and as three in the third template, and as four in the fourth, fifth in the fifth, six in the sixth, and seventh in the seventh. You're gonna do something like this by rotating the circle. The two comes onto the second template. Now you're gonna align the circle, select all of the templates and give them more transition. So that was all for today, and this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinion. You can download this template for free from the link in the description, and it's completely for free. And if you want more templates and free content, you can check out my other videos that I recently posted, and you can also check out my Patreon.